Storm Chasers. 2011, the deadliest tornado season in over 50 years, with more than 1,600 twisters touching down across the country, billions of dollars in property damage, and well over 500 dead.
It's coming right at us, guys. Get hit by debris. Drop it down.
Our storm chasers are in the belly of the beast as all the action unfolds.
Tornado on the ground. Now we're talking.
We're gonna intercept.
Wow!
From groundbreaking achievements
That was the first tornado ever shot in 3D.
to massive twisters threatening their own backyards.
These tornadoes are heading straight for our neighborhood. We just gotta get down there. This is not good. Get out of the road. Get underground.
To the largest tornado outbreak ever recorded.
This thing's heading straight for Tuscaloosa.
People are about to lose their lives, and there's nothing we can do about it.
If you're in Tuscaloosa right now,
Please take cover.
Tornado right in front of us. Right here.
Holy!
Oh my God.
It's just getting wider and wider.
I've never seen a tornado like this before in my life.
It's just tearing apart houses right
Oh
now.
my God, look at that.
Reed, we gotta go.
Move!
And there's no sign that Mother Nature will be letting up anytime soon.
Coming right at us, guys. Tim is going to go for an intercept.
Get up on it! Get up on it! Oh my God!
We're getting hit by debris. We're inside.